KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Kenang ban pensuk iki pat ba nong song snong ki ba song basa ha ki snong ki ba kham jingai na ka jilli jong ka snong maulai UMDC jong ka maulai constituency u ba tebor lang pathau da ka jinge trailang bat ka Meghalaya Rural Bank ha ka skisa jan ka khadwai tere ko banai jilli o ara jara arpo ar kila lumlang iki pat ba ha ka snong nong ko lo ban pun sngo tho halor ka rukom thep bat sai pisa jong ki pat ba khlem da don kam shu ban lai hi daladi sha bank ha ka day bat kani na kaliang jong ka Meghalaya Rural Bank kalabu da ki business correspondent ban pun sngoto kumno shikipat ba bat ban yarap ha ka ba play ya ki account mai na ka benta ban kin show ya ka pisa bat ban seiru ya ka pisa ha ka por ka badon kam Hagani ka jingyelang la sakhilang do MDC jong ka Maulai constituency uba tebor lang pathau u branch manager jong ka Meghalaya Rural Bank Maulai branch uba Ksan Kupar Saukme u chief manager jong ka Meghalaya Rural Bank main branch Shillong u Deepak Singharoy u district coordinator East Khasi Hills district jong ka Hazarika Construction and Trading Private Limited uba Aaron Kharhujan bat kiwei
Berengi dumi ni jenglang berit akan digapor mentah kentam iki nanggalam senang kalau mari kuah ban kumbangle yo snow nak nanggalam senang bat kentam nak nang sok senang sekatan ya jingie ke jongki hagbeide bat kaban kapalawara ka jingie nomor ba dadon kam kanung no jinan kam be kabang haplet seru sport mulai sati sport Peter Pom haplet seru mulai stambos dekta egalet kawan Hagwede papi ki nok song suni kathan hadir magajok ko memnisi of samarjar kat kandai ka lawan ke jimut arjonga ban lekran nama kidan ki nangilam senang ki balawan man pesngunga ki balawan man kerpat ban penekran lam lem ya kapang bakan bu e ka branch ka khamajan na ka bentak ki nok song jong di kathan ban pensuk haba kidan kam la ka di tap pisa la sei pisa la ni ban ple bang account kabalakta sisya bandai seru stisi pot brand mulai. Habang ini ekran makin nanggalam juga bang ki semjingnya bang play ke branch. Habis itu makin play ke branch ke pun ke jingdan kam. Kita kadal kalawan pak ke jingdan kat panek kuno nanti bang insting ye pi kinong song sini kata. Kuno mikmat ambang tentang ke jikit kri nak bentar karoi papa. Hari kadang ke jikit kri lu bentek ban pensuk ikinong sok senang la kade hado ko benta bat haba ngayo banyakran iki bobon kapakong sandu ya gani ke jingdon so kapang sini ketan dari sutu pambanan ke branch ke ora singe dari sutu apa maka bang no kendok menta kala penkre ane kelas sedang ya gawe naki program nanti gila nang ke program so bang kaba har kitu kicaka ke sem jenjar ban ke branch ya kabak kawara keciknya kinong sok senang bakin jangan nampak ke branch ke bank ke bakidan mentak la introduce teknik banking correspondent but sian kan sale saya ke CSP mau CSP kan setrekam sini kata te ban pensuk ya pi kinong sok senang sini kata karena pi kum kinong alam senang pinyo pan itu ya kinong sok senang ki jompi ya ke jingdon cekni ki banking correspondent ki bandan hak arti senang ki pangin sabo hak ni kata banyak kalian seperti punya dakini di nomi khmat nang mi bank Rural Bank ang mapi pin hap sutu pala kadang kanu ke jingkili na kalian ke jokiru ki salah penjawab there should be an answer to their question if they have any doubt regarding opening this banking correspondent isotana pekidan kini kita ngelam bank ki bala partai di berlasia mengelampu kini banking correspondent hakini ki jaga mau kau gende ni no kalau Bakuma pitip bakani sian dengan supply ke office ya ke banki nom sok sini ketan kinwan bani kendu enga hakatio baar tio pasar mandon kerta na bentar ki nom sok sini ketan bani kendu pasngap ya keciknya joki nom sok sini ketan teka bakom santu menta ke bangakwa ban wanra ini ke banking correspondent ke dong ketan di juni kalau berpensuk ipi menteng-teng man saya pisah hendak update semua kalau kita kali kawan Henry nak di kerjakai kasus tu pi kan persuk ipi nama pindah kam su olah pindah kam mandi thap pisaru pindah thap pagi ke cakai kini ba bank sejie makin lom di banking correspondent kinsa lepat penbiang yang tekam joki siapa ke branch kumo mi kma kan ke kri nam takane wanum ti wanum sutu bakla andre ngani tu ipi ngang ada dane bagande badan nadia ban kersyam ya kami gelar bang bagande kata penta nongeram sinong ki joki kin seperta ki sinong ban yatu bai kene ka BC sedang ni sinong ke joki bas piski ki pene ka syakani ka CSP common service point barang ni kecakah inbu ekta kana maksud ipi kinong ngelam sinong kinong sinong sekdikatan bat ki jindal kam ke joki lada dan kam nak yang kabang margi kin sawan berabor pada kendu bat pi amtang nak kita jindal kam ke ba pi namta ke bedem ke bang re wat scheme ke bakani ka bang ka ai sepi kinong rak khamtam mo inyo bani pleu jumut ba nama ka sarkar namta kana penselur susu khamtam ye kinong rak jongi nak benta pentiu yang kerap-kerap kam megalar bang nadu sedang kami kenang nak kata menyerang yang impat bak bersong sekitar.
Here, what we came to know is people from here who are having a very tough time to go through, means especially drawing your wages and all what you are getting from Manrega and old age pension, or if you can say this Indira Awas Yojana and all these Prime Minister housing schemes and all, because if you go from here either to our Maudarbaki or most of you are having an account in our petrol pump, at our Maudai branch, they have to spend number one their taxi fare. I think it is taking minimum 100 rupees nowadays after the COVID situations. Again you have to come back another 100 rupees, 200 rupees gone. Again whole day you have to stand in a queue, and you have not only that, you are losing your one day wages. That means it is a huge loss for all the villagers in this locality. So we are coming out with a unique idea with the government, that opening of the business correspondent point, BC point we are calling, business correspondent agents are we are recruiting. From our bank, what we have done an MOU with government of Meghalaya. It was done last year with the Finance Ministry, and it was the witness of the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Ministers and our Chairman. They were the signing of that MOU. After that, we are recruiting nearly 600 plus BC points for all over Meghalaya to cover all the villages of Meghalaya. Because people from here, we want to give the banking at the doorstep. Doorstep means in the door. Suppose here the people, otherwise what I just now was selling, they have to spend nearly 1,000 rupees going there, and their wages maybe it is coming 1,200 rupees. End of the day they were coming in, going whole day spending at 300. So here what is happening, we are giving the BC point in the village. We have signed corporate BC with 3 of the agencies, Meghalaya Rural Bank. One is Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, MSRLS, you might have heard. Number 2, we have the CSC e-governance, Customer Service Center e-governance. Somewhere you might have seen that rainbow and all is there. And we have signed another agreement with Hajarika Constructions. They are from Fulbari. Their headquarters, it is in Fulbari in Garo Hills. So they were doing, 3 parties is doing our BC points all over Meghalaya, because there are, I think you might have known, there are 6,328 villages in Meghalaya. And it is covering for 6,000 branches, it is not viable. So we are coming with an idea with the BC point, business correspondent point. Then what they will do, only the customers, they should have a bank account. Let me take State Bank, second largest bank in Meghalaya, second is Meghalaya Rural Bank, third let me take Apex Bank, or any bank. And nowadays after merger, I think 4th biggest bank in Meghalaya, it is coming Punjab National Bank because of the merger. Then suppose you are having an account, let me take in State Bank. Then you have to go here again to petrol pump nearest. What will happen in the BC point? They will come with a machine. That machine, it is linked along with the server. Maybe you have an account in our Madhurpaki branch. Maybe you are having in our Moonlight petrol pump. Maybe you have your account in nearest Colombo or anywhere. You can draw money up to 10,000 rupees per day. With the BC, they will come along with a machine, micro ATM it is called. Otherwise, if there is slide, I could have shown it also that what is micro ATM. Some of you might have seen it. It is just like a POS machine, which is you are going for purchasing anything from the shop or in the petrol pump. You will see when you purchase the petrol, somebody used to pay it by card. Only thing, all the people, you should have applied your ATM card. How many of you are having ATM card? Borrow. Handle the Lashai Pile apply no, Lashai Sunday simply. License Pile apply no, huh? Well, if you don't apply this ATM card, you cannot do the transactions. And for Meghalaya Rural Bank customer, with that machine you can deposit. Not that suppose they were coming and sitting just now, sorry, is telling you is interested to give, suppose a BC point, yeah, BC is coming, suppose once in a week. Suppose let us take it, he is coming on every Wednesday with a convenient with the headman and all. Huh? Wednesday, suppose 10 to 12, he is coming or she is coming and sitting here. So what will happen, the 10 to 12, anytime they can come. If it wants to withdraw, any bank card they can withdraw. If they want to deposit, only MRB card, but they need a card, not that. Otherwise, what will happen if you just give, somebody is taking it, writing a receipt to you. They are not giving you any seal. Maybe you are giving me, trusting me 20 people. Maybe on the way I am going, maybe one is falling down from my bed. I will go and giving to the branch manager, how many? 19 numbers. There is a chance of misplace of the amount. But when this machine is there, with the machine immediately you will get receipt and you will get in your mobile, SMS also you will get this 1,000 rupees deposited or withdraw immediately on the spot. There is a no chance of misutilize of the fund. So for that, we are coming here that for this BC point, you have to understand this is not like that bank is just coming, but whatever the transaction is done, it will be immediately reflected in the bank here.
Nitai down, sini ke ATM komdan, nitai down iba ka computer na yung bay na ni head office yung man pi ka bank ni. Kumi ong mai ipat man pi ka bank kami ka kam ko so. Baru kam ka jaka, baru kam ka manpower, baru kam ki assets ka buat hidup untuk ng kam. Pi na bang lai rai ba ban ai ka bank bet ka ong e pinyarap ka CSP. Customer service point bang. Ka jaka ka berap is customer. Kemudian customer ban ni area ni function berap ni ka tuni sungai. Kim kam tu orang suruh stay berbeza baik kali jual di area. Ya kata apa ni ada agreement begini ki harga itu. Harga agensi kini simpi gini bantai ni kata CSP. Meni kita yang kerja ni seng gini, but pisa kesenong baru, senong pihak dia pet kata CSP kata rekam sisa rekam sisa. Dan yang jumlah kebanganak menyerap habakal orang dari CSP. Yang juga ada pidong company account, pidong company itu naiwan susah bank, once submit the documents on it, can verify the CSP nomor bank, the account mina bank, will have ni ID yang ada account passbook kini, once submit the dapat na CSP. Kita kau yang nak menyerap, pembuat kibril, ikna, iklung, kim nongkam cuma orang bank, nanti di account. Kita perlu kali bayar si, buat bisa, orang bank nanti account. Kita prepare kini baru kau. Kabaan kalau umni, ikipai bar, tujuh iki kena ATM, mana ATM. Lada ke ATM ni juga tidur kibai, ke ATM ni ada tidur turai. Jadi iki begini wanci tiga bayar. Mo, na bank na branch jongan kabang ala berne, ngolong. Ai ke ATM form, sign ha punya dega sign kini ni. Ai kini ni, kita mau kasih branch, nak issue ATM na liam jongan, nak buka program, hang ni, bahkan program mana ada pakai list. Juga beri buka ATM, ada isu depan branch, akhirnya bak senang, seperti senang, semua penting senang dan miet kini diberi kepada apply ITM kepada program saya semua kawan sini maka ITM nimna untuk di Indonesia yang sebenarnya kembali ke tapi ya lalu kita lalu CSP kepisah kiwan kata hangni biar kepisah kena cek nomor ada ITM aktif kini anda don even kan kita digimin gawang semua kiba ngalaknya apa yang jangan ke CSP kan don hangni belak fakti ini mengan di temu backbone uyuk dan biar bantu lara fidan akun ha modal baki ni fidan akun pom ni fidan akun free ni fidan iru ini dilambat sama dari juga roll back kami belum modal kita jadi like that saya yes
i kabandang li syakmat inyo pas sedang di kita grup trikam ki bagi lihat hang ki lihat kuah ki baru sikata man kapan sup yang ginong sinong hagan kawan hagi ji dai pat kabang dan di grup menyesai menyetep pisah hagi sisa ngimpoi perkhat kalau sisa kabae than mani perkhat sepang kata kadai ki sisa ngi ginong sinong sene nasui ha bi ong ibran semeja la regile nang di seselo ni ha bandur sispa tengka balai sispa tengka wan balai raja bagi bio pisah pai teli bat kalakta bat kapor kta bat pisah kta nadong sedong dan rege kalah kepalawan ra ha kali kesengi ya kali jimbot di perkan ba juga di program lesi kali kesengi idam tak di sukmen bat ngan ngaburu ya kali gawe ke beta bahkan ni ke program kan nungkut tak dapatkan urlong sisiano mar kisutu kalau rap hadu kata-kata telesi dak di sedang ya kali program nakalong ha kali garukom dari suki la dagi dok sidong jugi kila suntu ya kata kajing ya kata kajing koridor jo kadi trikam leba jugi di program desi lem artatir bahaka we gesi la ha we gepor maka we pas ke peran sene de bangkan don hani kadang-kadang kita sedang, matrai kita sedang. Bantu suatu baru, teman-teman aku mengalog menagi dosi sedang baru ilandon dan juga kami. Kebetulan kami, kebetulan kau ingalong, bakin kita baru san sedang kibah. Jadi apa juga dengan sejuk juga sandor bar sedang. Bagi don jangan diga, kah? Nanti kan diga kebagi orang kisi spasi. Kadang sisa kalong kebetulan kami. Tengah tip lesi kita perkat mana kita tip perdiok juga lagi dijauhkan hendak baru lembah juga di program kita rekam kerja rap sibuk halah hajok sedang begini jawapan saya bisa dan mar kata kadang kalau ke program kemudian kama tinggi ngidap tak jadi keban kemakram barkum chairman ku presiden juga di senjuk banyak sengau ya di program ke hukum kani kawan raru ya katakan kom berkat ke batma kabangin num syuk kita gibri buat mat di kejige naman giim ha kadi kapatay klub ka pisang im la aman ni giim rengkat aman lagi binet mi na yeng na adukan don kam si po arpo tengka bat babkuan namta kata kay pisang long man lagi binet man lagi kenta bat kumta kadi rap sibon nang bajo gini gibang kibal perkhat banwana ya kadi ke program na kata gini sinong gijungi te ha kadi kapor te nakalian cukup presiden jo kadi senjuk ngapton sibon matkran andrei ngapen pau yang kaji sukumen ke bakra pada engage kan menempa di program lo MDC juga ilang warna bat kali kan long kaji sedang bat game ada tian bat urlong bat bahkan salong ni isen dah kaji terisito juga rekat bagi di bisa di hakani kepor nah ai tak kaji sungguh ke bakra bat kan kaji ya pendek lalu kaji keren hakani segi kan warna sisa ya kata kaji sok ya ginong sinong bat mangi ku gido yalam sinong nande ginjo manra ro iku bor sinong kita bijungi basien an sapetrika ya kade kerkom tem pisa sei pisa hagidong gedong banum da kuslai kan kali sor sinong naman kakta ya kayo kot juk nong sinong
dia mentas ni wan program ni ha sinong nong ko lo kani gadla chimtiari ba tebor pathau yang bisi ni katan di lawan ni branch bank ni yang ba ikwa ka bank ang area dekat head office ong ban sen kat ka bank di kampat sasuna kan sedang sudah kata CSP hang ta don ki business correspondent kita ki business correspondent pendai bi ki way naki dalong kung ginong tre jong ka bank ke wade hapo jong kanika agency bla te Hazarika agency berarti agreement ke bank jongi begini business correspondent kila ala pun tayu baru i kampung ki pan verify ki dokumen dan pihak account dia kindak ada verify maki kin orang ki form sa bank dengan pihak account ni jika passbook in IFT jongki kin orang nasional kita pen pay maki pergi customer ki individual customer dan lo kata customer kin apply ATM limba kini ki BC correspondent tinggi pan itu pelong program yang nasional itu submit itu ATM ke jongki individuals bagi try mak ATM gimana nak kiwai dan lo kata apa kini ada kini ki BC kini ke mesin POS mesin bakfat mah untuk kita na petrol pump itu baru kan jadi beri limba tu limba ke ATM aja kila ban saya bisa lah ban tak bisa beri ba pri aku orang ni lada ki ban saya bisa lah ni bisa limba kan dengan BC kila ban saya gumba aku aja maximum saya ru kumju ya aku aja maximum jadi kalau don ke agreement buat ke MRB jika numdan rumah tangga jinjia lada don rumah tangga jinjia ru kila ban one forward cika branch jungi branch update passbook hang tu kan power ada don baca bisa kan power passbook update ada don masih bisa kan power passbook update dan lo kata aman baca bisa video itu receipt jangan benar kalau Arab happy mak nomor nang ni sia moda baki pilih tang baik kali ke Labun lek si ada don jinjar nun habang lek si kamdan network ni people Islam dalam khang gabang ke jinjar pi lek si kasing cuti ke bang gakhang si aspiran pilih kani mentah itu agreement ke bank bani ka Hazarika agency kani agency tang kani limba ke bank dengan tian mana hang tu program ti kila pinbet hubungan Julai kan sedang dok hubungan Julai lai pinbet BMDC dia bagi chief manager juga bank ni buat di pak bulan Julai most for sila ban transfer tu kila ban pli account tu umang-onga kelas sip tani ikinong rap ti kata iban tip sa ban tip sa ka habiat manang ni lara ki ku akran ki kini ki BC kin num datip has mang bank kin hawan mi ha branch ada ka personal jungki la don kan ka Hazarika agency ka pet bisa Pulbari sa Garo Hills first time barang pet hani insyaallah